This or that, deep fryer or air fryer. Welcome to a new episode of This or That. Today we want to know which you prefer, cooking with a deep fryer or with a fancy air fryer. My name is David and I'm your host. Please like and subscribe to support these episodes. Both of these cooking methods can make delicious food. But which overall is the best investment and makes the most delicious food, all things considered? Deep frying is a cooking method that submerges food in hot oil or fat to cook at high temperatures, creating browned and crispy results. The oil in deep fryers is kept at a high temperature to help cook the surface of food quickly. Many love the fatty taste from deep frying in quality oil. For many foods, deep frying also gives a much crisper texture and bite. Deep frying also takes less time than air frying, so that's good if you are really hungry. However, deep frying wastes oil and is very messy, also a calorie-heavy way to cook. Air fryers have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their ability to cook food with little to no oil. Air frying cooks food by heating air and rapidly circulating it through and around food using a fan within the appliance cooking chamber. The hot air crisps and browns food using little to no additional oil. An air fryer is definitely healthier as you don't use or consume fats, considerably less calories overall. Air frying also makes for a much easier cleanup that matters a lot. Further, you don't have to worry about getting rid of waste oil. However, it will cost you more upfront to buy the appliance. So there you have it. 2 ways to cook food, 2 setups in your home. Which is it for you, deep frying or air frying? You be the judge of this or that. Let us know in the comments.